Hello there, I'm Yvonne de Celis and I'm coming to you on YDCtv. Just want to go over a few exercises you can do if you're having problems with your stomach. These are energy exercises that will help with digestive issues. The very first one seems very simple, but what you're going to do is tap your cheekbones. I know this seems very trivial, but what this is you're actually tapping your cheekbones. This is on your stomach meridian. This is the very first thing you should do if you are feeling, if your stomach's hurting, if your stomach's uncomfortable, you just ate something and something's just not sitting right. Just tap on those cheekbones because once again they are on your stomach meridian. That's a very good first thing to try if your stomach starts bothering you. The next one, pardon me if I look down, I'm just checking notes because I don't want to forget anything, but this next one, got to warn you in advance, there may be some sensitivity here. What you want to do is not the web between your thumb and your index finger, but the muscle. You want to vigorously massage the muscle. So what you want to do is put your thumb on the inside of your hand and your index finger on the outside, and again, not on the web, but on the muscle. Vigorously massage. My left hand, it's not as sensitive. I don't feel it as much, but when I switch to my right, I know it's going to hurt a little bit. Rule of law with energy healing is if it's kind of uncomfortable, it means you probably need it. And I mean vigorously massage, dig, which is what I'm doing with my left hand. It may not look like it, but when I switch to this hand, I'm going to feel it. Oh yeah, I can definitely feel that. I feel the sensitivity right away on this hand. So once again, not on the web, but on the muscle. And the thumb should be on the inside, and you should just vigorously massage. And yeah, this is sensitive on this hand, so I'm just going to dig for a few more seconds. So the next one is the stomach side sweep. So I'm going to stand. You do not have to stand for this. I'm just standing so I can show you what I'm doing here. So the side sweep. Both hands go to the back as far towards the spine as you can get them. And when you do this, I'm going to do this on the in-breath, so sweep to the front. So you can do this on both sides. Let's start on this side. So take an in-breath, and on the in-breath, bring your hands as close to the back towards your spine as you can, and then on the out-breath, sweep your hands to the front. So I'm going to actually sit once again. We'll just pretend my hands are going down that low again. So I'm going to take the in-breath, and I'm going to bring both my hands as far towards the back, towards my spine as I can, and then on the out-breath, literally just sweeping my hands across to the front. You can either let your hand hover so that you're within your energy field, or you can touch and just drag across. This particular exercise feels more effective to me when my hands are actually on the skin. And then I breathe out and drag my hands to the front. So now we can do the other side. So breathe in and out and bring them to the front. And one more time. So, and then on the out breath, sweeping to the front. Two more things. This next one, there's going to be more sensitivity. This is another stomach sweep or a hip sweep. So standing again, just to show you, what you want to do is put your hand on your hips. You can do this with your knuckles or with your hands. I use my knuckles because when they say vigorously massage, you should feel it. I really feel it when I use my knuckles. I'm not going to show all the way down, but what you want to do is start just vigorously massaging down, go down the sides of your legs, and go all the way down, not all the way down to your knees, but maybe to about 2 or 3 inches above the kneecaps. Once you get there, you can stop, rub your hands together, shake them out, and once again, do not be shocked if you hit a sensitive spot when you're going down the outside of your legs and down to where your knees are. You might hit a few sensitive areas, and again, it just means if it hurts, you need it. Just if you can find yourself doing it, just dig in a little bit and rub down, but it is going to hurt. Again, those tend to have sensitive spots both on the outside of the leg and on the inside of the leg. You will find some surprising sore spots on one side or the other. Those generally correspond to painful areas in other parts of the body. So just to warn you ahead of time, you might feel that. But one last thing you can do for digestion, and I do need to stand to show you this, you want to start right about near the pubic bone, and as we come up, I'm going to sweep my hands up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just inhale. So, and you want to come up to right below the pecs, and then you go back to the pubic bone, breathe in again, bring it to right below the pecs, and then one more time, go to the pubic bone, breathe in, and bring it to right below the pecs. And then the very last thing you do, after you take those 3 breaths and you bring them to right below the pecs, and you can just let go. After that, you're going to take your thumbs, you're going to go down once again, right below the pecs, pretty much parallel to where the nipple is. So you're going to now bring your thumbs down here, and then just one time, sweep down right off the pubic bone and bring the hands in front and just sweep them in front of you. So one more time, I'm going to do this sitting. I'm not going to stand for this, but I'm going to just do this sitting. I'm going to start at the pubic bone, and again, on the inhale, you're going to come up to right underneath the pecs. So one more time. And then you get the thumbs, bring it right underneath the pecs, parallel to where the nipples are, and just breathe out. And swoop them in front of you. And what you're doing is you're sweeping ahead and brushing the digestive issues off and out of your system. And then again, rub your hands together, shake them out. So if those things do not help with digestive problems, if you're still feeling like you're in a lot of discomfort and those things I've shown you don't help, please consider seeing a doctor. These are just quick and easy fixes and things that can hopefully make you feel better, but I don't want to turn anyone away from seeing a doctor, because if there is a serious problem, chances are very good you're going to need a doctor to help you. But hopefully those are things that will help you feel better if you're feeling discomfort. As always, thank you so much for coming to see me. Namaste, peace and light, and I hope to see more of you soon. In the interim, if you would like to subscribe to my channel, there's hopefully by now a little red circle in the bottom right-hand side of your screen. You can click that to subscribe to me. It's free to do. If you subscribe to my channel, what that means is that YouTube will send you occasional notifications when I do updates or changes to my video channel. If you click subscribe, a little bell icon will show up to the right of that. If you click the bell icon, that will put little parenthesis lines on either side of that, and that means you'll get notified every single time I do anything on the channel, which I don't really recommend you do unless you don't mind getting hounded by YouTube. That is your call. You can also leave me comments, thumbs up, thumbs down, anything you want, any sort of interactivity you want. Also, if you'd like to leave me a request, if there's any particular energy healing exercise you'd like to see me do, or if you have a particular ailment you would like to see me tackle, please leave me a request. A lot of my videos are driven by requests I get. So again, thank you so much for your visit. Namaste, peace and light, and I hope to see you again soon. Cheers. Thanks again. Bye-bye.